Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Pharma Agile. This is Devi Sarojini. Now I will discuss about the differences between OOS, OOE and OOT. The terms OOS, OOT and OOE are used in quality control and quality assurance, particularly in pharmaceutical and biotechnology industries. They help identify different types of deviations in analytical results or processes. So let's talk about the differences between OOS, OOE and OOT. I will give you a clear explanation about OOS, OOE and OOT. First one, OOS. OOS means it refers to a test result that falls outside the established acceptance criteria. Outside the outside the established acceptance criteria, or its specification set by regulatory bodies or internal guidelines. So OOS means the test results that falls outside the established acceptance criteria. For example, a drug's potency result is found to be 95%, but the specification range is 98 to 102%. Then that is the then that is called OOS. A drug's potency result is found to be 9. A drug's potency result is found to be 95%, but the specification range is 98 to 102%. Then that is called as out of specification. Second one OOT. Second one OOE. OOE refers to a result. OOE OOE refers to a result that is unexpected or deviates from typical patterns based on process, method, or equipment performance, but does not necessarily violate specifications or trends. So it does not OOE means OOE means it does not necessarily violate specifications or trends. In OOS, it falls outside the In OOS, it falls outside the specification, but in OOE, it does not. But in OOE, it does not necessarily violate specification or trends. A result that meets specification, but it's outside the expected variability. For example, a sudden spike in temperature during a production step that does not lead to an OOS or OOT result, but is unusual for the process, that is called OOE. OOE means out of expectation. Next, third one, OOT. OOT defined as out of trend result, a time-dependent result which falls outside a prediction intervals or fails a statistical process control criterion. A result that meets specification but is outside the trend. OOT represents a result that, while within the specification limits, shown an unexpected trend or deviation compared to historical data or expected performance. For example, a stability study. In a stability study, result shows a gradual decline in potency, which is not typical for the product's historical trend, even though the result is within the acceptable range. This is called out of expectation result. This is all about OOS, OOE and OOT. I hope you understand. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.